For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of the most remarkable and transformative achievements ever created by humanity in the field of space science. Quietly orbiting Earth like an ever-watchful eye suspended in the vast darkness of space, it continues to reshape our understanding of the universe in ways that were once beyond imagination, capturing one extraordinary image after another and revealing cosmic details that no human eye could ever perceive directly. When it was launched aboard the Space Shuttle Discovery in 1990, expectations from scientists and engineers were already extremely high, yet the true magnitude of its long-term impact remained uncertain and largely untested. At that time, few could realistically imagine how deeply this single instrument would go on to transform human understanding of space, not merely as a scientific tool, but as something that would fundamentally reshape how humanity perceives existence itself. Positioned far above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble operates beyond the atmospheric distortion that blurs and limits ground-based telescopes. This unique position allows it to achieve an extraordinary level of clarity and precision in deep space observation. As a result, stars are no longer seen as faint, trembling points of light, but instead appear as sharply defined celestial objects, each one representing a distant history written across time and space. Galaxies, when viewed through Hubble's powerful lenses, reveal breathtaking levels of detail. Their spiral arms stretch outward in elegant, structured patterns, their glowing centers pulse with immense energy, and their vast cosmic formations resemble intricate works of natural art shaped over billions of years. Nebulae, too, unfold like enormous drifting clouds of color and gas, suspended within the darkness of space, forming structures that often resemble cosmic paintings spread across an infinite canvas. Although Hubble was originally designed with a focused scientific mission, to study distant galaxies, observe ancient light from the early universe, and better understand the formation and evolution of cosmic structures, its role soon expanded far beyond those early expectations. As its capabilities improved and discoveries accumulated over time, it evolved into something far more powerful, a continuous observer not only of deep space but also of our own solar system. Unlike short-term space missions that capture brief snapshots of their targets, Hubble introduced something fundamentally different: long-term continuity. Orbiting Earth approximately every 90 minutes, it has the ability to repeatedly observe the same celestial objects over extended periods, months, years, and even decades. This long-duration perspective has allowed scientists to detect subtle changes and slow transformations that would otherwise remain completely invisible. Through this extended observation, a profound realization emerged. The solar system is not a fixed or static environment, but rather a dynamic and ever-changing system filled with motion, interaction, and gradual evolution. Planets, moons, and even small celestial bodies are constantly undergoing transformation, whether through seasonal cycles, gravitational forces, or long-term cosmic processes. Despite its limitations, such as a relatively narrow field of view that prevents it from capturing extremely large nearby objects in a single frame, Hubble has consistently overcome these challenges through innovative observational techniques. Scientists have repeatedly developed creative methods to extend its capabilities beyond its original design. One of its most remarkable achievements came during the 2012 transit of Venus, a rare astronomical event in which Venus passed directly between Earth and the Sun. Direct observation of this event posed a serious risk to Hubble's sensitive instruments due to the intense solar radiation involved. To overcome this challenge, scientists devised an ingenious workaround by using the Moon as a natural reflective surface. In this method, sunlight passing through Venus's atmosphere was reflected off the lunar surface and then indirectly captured by Hubble's instruments. By carefully analyzing this reflected light, researchers were able to determine that Venus's atmosphere is composed primarily of carbon dioxide and exists under extreme pressure and hostile environmental conditions. Even more significantly, this innovative approach later became an important foundation for studying the atmospheres of distant exoplanets beyond our solar system. Among the planets in our solar system, Mars has remained one of the most important and frequently observed targets of the Hubble Space Telescope. Its relative closeness to Earth, combined with its constantly changing surface and atmospheric activity, makes it an ideal subject for long-term scientific study. From its orbital vantage point, Hubble has captured highly detailed full-disk images of Mars, revealing a world that is far more dynamic and active than once believed. Over time, the telescope has recorded clear seasonal changes across the Martian surface. Large regions of the planet gradually shift in appearance as seasons change, driven by variations in sunlight, temperature, and atmospheric pressure. Hubble has observed clouds forming, dispersing, and moving across the thin Martian atmosphere, creating faint but complex weather systems that stretch across vast distances and evolve over time. One of its most significant discoveries is the clear seasonal cycle of Mars's polar ice caps. These frozen regions expand during colder periods and slowly retreat when temperatures rise, confirming that Mars experiences a structured and repeating climate system. Although much weaker and thinner than Earth's, this seasonal behavior proves that Mars is not a static world but one that undergoes continuous environmental change. Hubble has also witnessed some of the most extreme weather events in the solar system. Massive dust storms frequently develop on Mars, driven by strong winds and atmospheric instability. In some cases, these storms grow so large that they engulf nearly the entire planet, drastically reducing visibility from space. One of the most powerful events occurred in 2001, when a global dust storm lasted for several months, completely hiding the planet's surface beneath a thick, swirling layer of dust and haze. During this period, Mars appeared almost featureless, demonstrating how quickly and dramatically its appearance can change. These long-term observations fundamentally changed scientific understanding of Mars. Instead of being a cold, dead, and unchanging desert world, Mars is now recognized as a planet with an active, evolving atmosphere capable of large-scale transformation over relatively short periods. Beyond Mars, Hubble has also studied Phobos, the small and irregularly shaped moon of Mars. Despite its size, Phobos is scientifically important because it reveals how gravitational forces shape long-term orbital behavior. Observations confirm that Phobos is slowly spiraling inward toward Mars due to tidal interactions between the planet and its moon. This gradual orbital decay suggests a distant but inevitable future. Over time, Phobos may either be torn apart by Mars's gravitational forces, potentially forming a ring of debris around the planet, or it may eventually collide with the Martian surface in a far future cosmic event. Both possibilities highlight the dynamic and temporary nature of celestial bodies. In the asteroid belt, Hubble has also reshaped earlier scientific assumptions about what was once thought to be a quiet and inactive region of space. Instead of a simple collection of stationary rocks, it has revealed a highly dynamic environment where motion, interaction, and gradual change are constantly occurring. Some asteroids have been observed spinning at extremely high speeds due to uneven heating caused by sunlight. This rapid rotation can cause them to lose surface material, slowly ejecting dust and small particles into space. In certain cases, this process creates faint, temporary tails, making these rocky objects resemble comets even though their origin is entirely different. In other instances, Hubble has captured evidence of asteroid collisions, where massive impacts generate expanding clouds of debris that drift through space. Over time, these fragments continue to interact, collide, and disperse, showing that even ancient rocky bodies are part of an ongoing cycle of change and evolution within the solar system.